CX semi-automatic 2 nozzles magnetic pump filling machine. Suitable for oil, ink, perfume, cleaner and other water-type liquids. Machine has semi-automatic and automatic 2 operation modes. Machine can be equipped with 1 filling nozzle, 2 filling nozzles or 4 filling nozzles. Filling volume is adjusted by the filling time and speed of the machine. Filling speed and filling time are adjustable. Filling speed setting is from number 1 to 99. Filling time setting can be set by minute and by second. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.